everyone! In today's video we will be discovering home refurbishing strategies that will not only enhance your living space but also significantly lower your bills. In a world where energy costs are rising and environmental concerns are growing, it's important to find solutions that balance both financial savings and sustainability. That's exactly what we'll explore today. Practical strategies that will help your home enhance your quality of life, lower your bills, and protect the planet. By incorporating these strategies into your refurbishment project, you'll create a harmonious living environment that reflects your values and saves your money in the long run. But this isn't just about cutting costs. It's about building a future where comfort and sustainability go hand in hand. So get ready to unlock the secrets of efficient energy usage and innovative technologies like heat recovery ventilation or air source heat pumps. We'll also delve into the importance of insulation, air sealing, efficient lighting, and appliances that will make a noticeable difference in your energy consumption. Follow the 6 steps described in this episode to make sure you refurbish your home well and avoid the horrors often associated with low-quality, fast construction. To embark on a successful home refurbishment journey, it's important to begin by thoroughly assessing your energy usage. This step allows you to gain profound insights into how energy is utilized within your home, empowering you to make informed decisions for enhanced efficiency and cost savings. To start, analyze your energy bills, but in order to have a deeper understanding of the issues, consider taking a thermographic inspection. With the help of advanced tools like thermal cameras and energy monitors, you can pinpoint areas of energy waste and identify potential improvements. Thermal cameras enable you to visualize heat loss, uncovering hidden inefficiencies in insulation or air sealing. By understanding the thermal performance of your home, you can target specific areas for improvement. Additionally, energy monitors provide real-time data on your energy consumption, allowing you to identify patterns and trends. This information serves as a solid foundation for creating an energy-saving roadmap that aligns with your goals and budget. By thoroughly evaluating your energy usage, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of where energy is being wasted and where improvements can be made. This knowledge sets the stage for impactful changes that will maximize efficiency and minimize your bills throughout your home refurbishment journey. When it comes to transforming your home into an energy-efficient and healthy haven, heat recovery ventilation systems are the true superheroes. These remarkable systems not only enhance your energy efficiency, but also elevate your indoor air quality to new heights. These systems operate by continuously exchanging stale indoor air with fresh, filtered air from the outside. But what sets them apart is their ability to harness the power of heat transfer. As the outgoing stale air is expelled, HRV system recovers and captures the heat it carries. This captured heat is then transferred to the incoming fresh air, significantly reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. The result? Remarkable energy savings that go straight to your pocket. By implementing HRV systems in your home refurbishment, you're not only cutting down on your energy consumption, but also ensuring a healthier living environment. HRV systems effectively filter the incoming air, removing pollutants, allergens, and other harmful particles. This means you and your loved ones can breathe easy, knowing that the air circulating throughout your home is clean and fresh. Imagine the perfect balance between energy efficiency and optimal indoor quality. HRV systems deliver just that, creating a harmonious environment that prioritizes your well-being while lowering your energy bills. Whether you're refurbishing an existing home or building a new one, incorporating HRV systems is a strategic and rewarding choice. These systems can be integrated into your home, ensuring that every room is supplied with fresh, filtered air. When it comes to achieving unbeatable energy efficiency and cost savings in your home refurbishment, the winning combination of air source heat pumps and underfloor heatings takes center stage. Air source heat pumps excel at extracting heat from the outside air, and when paired with underfloor heating, they create a perfect synergy. They provide a highly efficient and evenly distributed heat throughout your home. Unlike traditional boiler systems that often heat water to higher temperatures, requiring subsequent cooling before use in underfloor heating, air source heat pumps deliver water at optimal temperatures for direct use. This eliminates the energy loss that occurs when heating water to a high temperature and then cooling it down, resulting in significant energy savings. By leveraging the power of air source heat pumps and underfloor heating, you'll experience remarkable energy savings while enjoying the luxurious comfort of warm floors throughout your home. Furthermore, integrating underfloor heating into your home offers additional benefits. With no need for radiators or visible heating elements, underfloor heating enhances the aesthetics of your space, giving you the freedom to design your rooms without any heating constraints. So, as you embark on your home refurbishment journey, consider installing an air source heat pump and underfloor heating. Together, they optimize energy efficiency, providing you with a comfortable and inviting living environment. The good news is that in the UK, the installation of an air source heat pump is considered a permitted development, which means you don't need to apply for planning permission as long as you meet specific conditions. For more information on these conditions, check out the link in the description box. When it comes to achieving optimal energy efficiency and creating a comfortable living environment, proper insulation and air sealing are paramount. These two essential components work hand in hand to minimize energy waste and maximize savings while transforming your home into a more eco-friendly building. Insulating your walls, roofs, and floors acts as a protective barrier, preventing heat transfer and maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. During winter, insulation traps the warmth inside, keeping your home cozy and reducing the need for excessive heating. In summer, it acts as a shield, preventing the heat from entering your living spaces, therefore reducing the reliance on air conditioning. This optimal temperature control not only enhances your comfort, but also significantly reduces your energy bills. Equally important is air sealing, which ensures that your home remains airtight, free from drafts and air leaks. These tiny openings may seem insignificant, but they can result in substantial energy loss. By meticulously sealing gaps around windows, doors, vents, and other areas prone to leakage, you eliminate the entry of unwanted outside air and prevent conditioned air from escaping. Investing in quality insulation and effective air sealing not only enhances energy efficiency, but also demonstrates your commitment to sustainability. By minimizing energy waste, you contribute to a greener future and reduce your carbon footprint. When planning your home refurbishment, consider working with professionals who understand the science of insulation and air sealing. By making these essential investments, you'll enjoy a comfortable living space year-round, reduce your energy consumption, and contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly world. Efficient lighting and appliances can make a significant difference in your energy consumption. LED bulbs consume significantly less electricity while providing the same level of brightness, and they have an impressive lifespan. By replacing outdated bulbs with LEDs throughout your home, you will witness a noticeable reduction in your energy usage and enjoy a long-lasting illumination. Now, let's turn our attention to appliances. When upgrading, prioritize those with high energy efficiency ratings. Seek out appliances labeled with Energy Efficiency Certification Scheme ratings, a reliable indicator of products designed to consume less energy without compromising performance. From refrigerators to dishwashers and washing machines, EEC-certified appliances are engineered to optimize efficiency, saving you both energy and money. By selecting energy-efficient appliances, you not only reduce your environmental impact, but also unlock the long-term cost savings. Remember to assess the energy efficiency of smaller devices as well, such as televisions, computers, and kitchen gadgets. Opt for products with high EEC ratings and energy-saving modes to further reduce your energy consumption. When it comes to achieving a truly sustainable and energy-efficient home, Solar panels are a game-changing addition. Harnessing the power of the sun, solar panels offer a renewable energy source that can significantly reduce your reliance on traditional power grids while lowering your carbon footprint. However, not all solar panels are created equal. It's crucial to choose high-quality panels to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Some panels might degrade faster than others, losing a significant portion of their capacity over the years. By selecting reputable manufacturers and high-efficiency panels, you can mitigate this issue and ensure that your investment in solar power pays off for years to come. IBC cells are known for their exceptional efficiency and longevity. Unlike conventional solar cells, IBC cells feature a unique design that eliminates front contact ribbons, minimizing energy loss and maximizing power output. This innovative construction allows IBC cells to capture more sunlight, even in low light conditions, ensuring consistent and efficient energy production. One key component that enhances the effectiveness of solar panels is a battery storage system. Integrated with the solar panels, batteries store excess energy generated during peak sunlight hours. This stored energy can be utilized during times when solar production is lower, or at night, allowing you to maximize self-consumption and reduce reliance on the grid. With a battery system in place, you can enjoy the benefits of solar power even when the sun isn't shining. As solar technology continues to advance, exciting progress is being made in integrating solar panels into roof tiles. These innovative solutions blend seamlessly into the architecture of your home, harnessing solar energy without the traditional appearance of bulky panels. With these aesthetically pleasing options, you can create a stylish and sustainable home without sacrificing visual appeal. Consulting with reputable solar installation professionals will ensure you select the right panels and design a system tailored to your specific needs. Integrating solar panels into your home refurbishment project is a significant step toward a greener future. By generating clean, renewable energy on site, you'll reduce your dependence on fossil fuels and contribute to a more sustainable energy landscape. Furthermore, solar panels can lead to substantial savings on your energy bills. Similar to air source heat pumps, solar panels are also considered permitted development, provided you meet specific conditions. For more information, please refer to the link in the description box. And there you have it, 6 essential steps to refurbish your home and lower your bills. By following these strategies, you can create a healthier and more economical living environment while also reducing your carbon footprint. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more episodes where we reveal the secrets for creating a healthy, economical, and unique spaces. See you soon.